This is Mr. YT Aries himself, and guess what today is? Today is called meet night, you feel me? So what we gonna do today, man, before we get into all that, I always jump into that, but this time, make sure you follow me on IG right here and keep supporting your boy on this channel right now, man. But guess what? I got a special surprise for y'all. I'm going to 2 car meets tonight. You hear what I'm saying? Not 1, but 2. I'm going to check out one we went checked out with the kids before, and I'm going to check out one I never saw before. So we going a couple surprises because I heard they got some nice cars be at the other one. So you know we got to dig in and find it out. But I know y'all looking behind me like, man, where Black Beauty at, man? My baby got a little jealous and she said we need to take her car out. So this is my wife's car, AKA my other car. Yeah. We got the family car, we got her car, and of course we got Black Beauty. She calls this Mystique. Mystique, you feel me?
Roll that front window up and show them why I call it.
You know what I'm saying? I got the 5% tint on my baby car. She met me, she wanted people to see her, but I was like, baby, when you meet me, you gotta be Presidente. So I went go ahead and put that 5% on there, you know what I'm talking about? All the way around. Cause you know, my baby good, I don't want nobody looking at her while she's driving anyway, you hear me? But check this out. We're going to check this out. We over here at the co-wash. I don't know if I'm gonna go through there or not, but Mystique look like she good enough. But we see y'all over there. We about to ride over there right now. Take this journey. Let's go, baby. All right, people, we just got to the car meet, man. As you can see, when we rolled through, it still got a couple dead spots out here, but we're pretty sure everybody gonna roll up. It's a little bit after 7, about 7:30. You know everybody like to make an entrance, so we're gonna sit back and watch them come through the parking lot. You heard? That bad boy, tough deal, boy. That bitch tough right there, you heard me? I don't know if you guys can see it, but they got the blue. They got the blue on there to match the car, you hear me? good, bro. I'm gonna put out my next video with me doing that on a motorcycle. Stay tuned. I can do that same thing. He ain't the only one know how to do that. Hi, baby.
That's shit nice.
Oh, you did that excursion.
Yeah, I think his rim's colored in yours.
Hell yeah, man.
This is nice. I think it's
Hey, nice ass truck, bro.
Appreciate you, big dog.
Dog. Man, check out my YouTube channel, Mr. YT Aries. The one we put it on there, bro.
Mr. What?
Mr. YT Aries. You can check me on Instagram, dog. That's the excursion or you did the back like that?
Excursion, and then they converted it into
How long it took them to do that work?
shit. Probably about, I don't know. American Wheels and Tires did that shit. So
Man, talk about it, bro. I'm telling you.
man, I don't know, man. I don't even know. You know what I mean? Shit, that bitch just got done in. That's it.
How long it took them to do it?
Probably about 6 months or something.
Straight or
Yeah.
overtime?
Overtime.
They had the whole 6 months?
Yeah. The whole 6 months, yes, sir.
You got an
Tough.
Instagram or anything?
Nah, we don't have an Instagram, nothing.
Okay.
But it's been put up for like 10 years. So we just barely did everything back so we're gonna start renting it out and shit.
Oh, okay. What the race is, huh?
I don't know, yeah, we just barely, I'm telling you, just today we barely did the alignment, everything to get it right for them and shit.
Oh, you
So-
said it's been sitting up for 10 years, right?
10 years.
Damn. That bitch tough, boy. They been rolling through the parking lot. Y'all turn the heads from way over there. You
Yeah,
feel me?
we're on Homestead right now. They're doing something on Homestead Road over there.
Oh,
But
yeah.
it is too.
They got another one by Sharpstown used to be here. They got another one over there we're gonna go to over there. So y'all might want to pass through over there too.
Okay, yeah.
Man, y'all need, if you got something like that, you need to start promoting that and getting Instagram or something.
Yeah,
bro.
my little boy got an Instagram.
Man, how your little man got an Instagram before you, man?
It's crazy, man. That shit's crazy, man. Yeah, but.
All right, I'm gonna put y'all on. Like I said, I'm gonna upload this video tomorrow. I'm gonna put y'all on there.
Yeah,
all
I'm gonna look it up for sure. You have a good one, big up.
right, dude.
You too. Yeah, I didn't know he wanted to be on camera, so I kind of like turned away in the beginning, but I tried to keep it like on both of y'all. Knucklehead? Yeah, you look like a knucklehead.
Louisiana boys.
What was that?
Louisiana boys, you know how we do it.
Definitely some knuckleheads.
I think you talking about it a whole nother way, baby.
Nah, I've been to Louisiana enough to know.
You know how we show out, man. We show out big.
New Orleans got something in that water.
Some in that water, baby.
A little bit of everything in that water.
Hey, that's some California shit, huh, baby? Oh, yeah? Check out that goddamn fender, man. Much more power. Much more power. He might have an RT. It might be like this, but he got it done different. Nice whip, bro. Impala. And you still can't hear what the fuck they listening to, like.
Still can't hear shit that you play.
Like you just don't care. Accept that busted. Get your hands out your pockets and your finger on the trigger. Fly, we don't fly, we won't fly. Drop your set up in the sky. As you can't catch you can't quit this. And I got to get your better not quick, 'cause I ain't having it. You got to get your better not having it. With the whole go day. Living Inglewood, California, Sunday. This will be up your ass if I don't hit play. I'm knocking out chicks. Fucking much dollars on the first big beat. I know you're
Look at shit. Damn, that's nuts. For those of y'all who know me, Mrs. YT Torres, I'm a Cali girl. So that right there was the highlight of my night. Let me tell you. I remember going down Slauson. For those of you who from Cali, know that Slauson had it cracking on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Rolling down the street like I feel like singing Easy E. Rolling down the street in my 6'4".
They did that shit. Hey man, I'm not big on them cars, but them motherfuckers was clean, dog.
I'm so excited right now.
Them motherfuckers was tough. Them motherfuckers was tough, man.
Like that's my shit. Like, and they hit the switches like.
I get it.
Wait till I get mine. Wait till I get mine. I gotta go call my daddy, see if I can get a call.
Bruh. Bruh. I know y'all can't really see the paint on here right now, man. Yes, Lord. Shit, I ain't got the light on it right now. Who got the light at? Who got the light?
Yes, sir.
Look at that, man.
Yes, sir.
Shit. Uh-oh. Then he got the switches hanging out that motherfucker. You know what I'm talking about? Oh, look at this shit here, man. What the fuck?
Anything else going on?
Another one.
Oh, we from last year.
Hey, who did your rap, bro? Who did your rap, man?
Black Diamond.
What is that?
That's over there in Cyprus.
this thing to be in the kitchen. I'm burning the ham. These so-called pieces, I'm hard up, I'm still man. I chop up his ass, I chop up his brains, his muscles, and others his kids.
Hey man, so far I done seen some nice whips out here, man, but I'm not super impressed. I had more expectations for this. What y'all think? From the cars y'all seen so far, let me know which one was y'all favorite, which one was y'all least favorite. Black Beauty would have been a favorite if she was here.
You know it, but we in Mystique and sorry. Like so far.
They don't want us to get Mystique and start revving that thing up here.
I'm about to say something.
They'll get all 4 cylinders and some
But no, like I like the truck that converted it into.
Man,
like,
that thing was hard. That thing was hard, man.
Limousine, like I really like that one. I like that one. And then some of the people that just I don't know.
Then you see the Impala crew come through swinging.
Well, I'm a swing on that.
Man, it's Saturday night. Me and the wife out here having ball, and we ain't had no drink. This all free right here, man. We just enjoying our town out here.
We high as kite.
I'm not. She may be. I'm not.
We don't do no drugs. We just drink, and we ain't had no.
Look, man. Whatever's your life is your life. Live it. Full it.
You only got but one. Enjoy it.
Believe that. So, I think we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up from this one for this car meet, man. We're gonna go ahead and shoot over to the other one. I never been to that one, so stay tuned, man. I'm gonna keep my expectations low, so when we get there, it'll be better.
Well, you better get a Red Bull to get you some wings.
It's all good, man. Stay tuned. We're about to roll into the next spot. Hey guys, we at our next car meet, man. As you can see, we pulled in. They got a lot of different cars out here, man. So we gonna roll through like we always do, try to get some social networking going on and see what we can talk about and see what they got under these hoods, man. They got a lot of nice cars out here, man. So stay tuned, everybody. This one. Oh, I like that.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Miss YT Torres, and I ran into such a lovely, and I tell you, lovely couple. I'm here with my girl Melanie, all the way from Lafayette, Louisiana.
Hey y'all, it's nice to meet you. My boyfriend and I came out to Texas during the storm in Lafayette, and so we met these people and we love them so far. They're amazing. But we're having so much fun out here. My name is Melanie again. If If y'all want to follow me on Instagram, it's Melanie Lachey. That's L-A-S-H-A-Y-E. Melanie Lachey. Nice to meet y'all. See y'all later.
Yes, make sure y'all check out my girl Melanie Lachey. Look at me, I'm getting tongue-tied. Make sure you check her out. Hit her up on Instagram. Until then, we're gonna get back to these cars.
Yes, sir.
Yo, me being the officer on the line here. That motherfucker ass up. Who's that? Yeah.
Shots and stuff at work, but I don't work there anymore. It's just
Wide body on fleek, man. Is this the only wide body out here, man?
Look, see? I'm telling you, you don't see wide body.
You got the flip paint on it.
Ain't nobody bold enough to go wide body out here. What's on it? You want bags? Ooh, bags.
Got the flip paint on them, dog. Oh, rose gold, man. Come on now, you do it like that? So what's under all this body work, bro? SRT or what?
It's the RT, yeah.
Yeah? You did any tuning to it?
Not yet. I got headers and a supercharger on the way.
Ooh, man. Some rose gold rims, but I like that. It's a wrap or it's a vinyl?
It's a wrap.
Alright, how much something like this want you, bro?
Well, honestly, me and my friends did it ourselves, so just
Come
the
on.
wrap, 1K.
Alright, y'all. We checked out my homie right here, man. Check this out wide body out, man. I know y'all done seen it right here.
What's good, y'all?
Man, look. He say him and somebody else and his people done did this themselves, bro. He talking about 1K on top, man. You know what I'm saying? How much work time it took y'all to put this in, man?
I gotta say about 2 weeks.
About 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we got a shop called UA Auto Designs.
What is that? Tell me where it's at.
Yeah, UA Auto Designs near Northside. So hit them up.
I'm gonna drop his link down below if y'all want to go. Man, they do their work themselves, man. Look at that, no flaw. So that's doing with the hustle.
We saw this Jeep. We went to
I want a Jeep so bad. Oh my god. I couldn't make my Destiny's car. I really want a Jeep.
I think I got the get the side of it. I took a picture. I'll find it. But I really like that. Those speakers were so clear. You can hear everything.
Man, I saw a guy, bro, he did a,
That's
he did a haircut. Oh yeah, that's the SRT.
Yep. You like that? I would drop it.
Man, that thing mean, man. Man, look at this color though. Dodge did this with his color, man.
You dancing?
Stay tuned. How much you about to say, man? What you holding under the hood, bro?
About 500 at the motor. It's like 460 at the wheel.
What's it to work with?
Most of it is done myself, but I also went to Forgotten Rides Garage. They did some of the work. Hyman Racing Dynamics did a couple tunes for me. About to go back to them for a retune.
And you only own the car with it?
Yeah, because it's full bolt-on. I ain't put a supercharger on yet. I guess everything for that. Yeah, once I do the supercharger, I'll probably be like, I'm gonna do 600 for the first setting, and then when I get used to it, I'll bump it up to 7.
Yeah, but you're gonna hold a lot with that ass wheel.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Shit, what's the size one of these, bro?
Huh? Those are actually cheaper than my rims, my street rims.
Oh, they're not slick though.
They drag. They're street drag.
Okay.
So you can go track or street. The thing is, when you go full slicks and it starts raining and stuff, it gets sketchy.
Oh yeah, hell yeah.
So I know I'll be out in the street a lot, so I didn't want to keep caught in the rain and back on the track. The thing is, still when it's raining, you can't go over 10 miles an hour. It's that bad. When it starts raining, it starts
Because of the pop or because of
the power and the light weight in the back end. That torque.
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, you got a baby.
You driving? He said no, straight up no.
The only person that drives it is the
Alright guys, it's about to be a wrap on that, man, but you already seen what they got going on there. I had a good time tonight, man. I seen a lot of fly ass cars out here, bro. I'm a car dude, I know y'all a car dude. Comment down below and let me know what y'all favorite car y'all saw from this car meet and the other one. You know what I'm saying? You got my baby back there and our new people, we do that over, you know what I'm talking about? We see y'all on the next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Follow your boy on IG, and I'm gonna promise you, I'm gonna keep giving y'all these bangers, man. Let's get it.